Welcome, friends. Are you ready to unlock the secret to transforming your desires into reality? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful techniques from the legendary Neville Goddard, the congratulations technique. Stick around till the end, because we have an incredibly interesting surprise for you that could change your life forever. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to apply the congratulations technique to manifest anything you desire. You'll discover how a simple shift in your mindset can bring about profound changes in your reality. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's get started. First, let's set the stage. Imagine a world where your thoughts shape your reality. Sounds like magic, right? But according to Neville Goddard, this isn't just a fantasy, it's the key to unlocking your true potential. Neville Goddard was a mystic and author who dedicated his life to teaching the principles of imaginative power. He believed that our imagination is God within us, and that by mastering it, we can manifest our deepest desires. Neville's teachings revolve around the idea that imagination is the most powerful force in the universe. It's not just a mental exercise, but a divine act of creation. When you truly grasp this concept, you realize that every thought, every feeling, and every image you hold in your mind shapes your reality. This understanding forms the foundation of the congratulations technique. Let's delve into the power of imagination. Picture yourself in a moment of pure joy, perhaps a significant achievement or a heartfelt congratulations from someone you admire. How does that feel? This feeling is the cornerstone of the congratulations technique. Neville taught that our imaginal acts, scenes vividly imagined and felt, are the seeds that eventually bloom into our lived experiences. When we imagine, we create. Studies have shown that athletes and successful individuals use visualization techniques to enhance performance and achieve their goals. This isn't just new age mumbo-jumbo, it's backed by science. For instance, a study conducted with Olympic athletes revealed that those who engaged in mental imagery performed significantly better than those who didn't. Similarly, successful entrepreneurs often use visualization to strategize and envision their success. These examples highlight the immense potential of our imagination. The congratulations technique explained. So what exactly is the congratulations technique? It's simple yet profoundly effective, making it accessible to anyone willing to practice it with dedication. The essence of this technique lies in the power of your imagination and the emotions you attach to it. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how it works. Step 1. Choose your desire. The first step is to clearly define what you want to manifest. This could be a new job, a successful project, a loving relationship, or any other goal you have in mind. The key is to be specific about your desire. Vague goals yield vague results, so take the time to articulate exactly what you want. Write it down if that helps to solidify it in your mind. The clarity of your desire sets the stage for the next steps. Step 2. Create a scene. Once you have a clear desire, the next step is to create a scene that implies your desire has been fulfilled. This scene should be short, simple, and to the point. Imagine a moment where someone you trust and respect is congratulating you on achieving your goal. This could be a friend, family member, or even a colleague. The scene should be specific enough to feel real, but also concise enough to replay easily in your mind. For instance, if your goal is a job promotion, imagine a scenario where your boss shakes your hand and says, "Congratulations on your promotion." Step 3. Feel the emotion. Now comes the most critical part, immersing yourself in the feeling of the scene. Close your eyes and place yourself in the imagined moment. Feel the joy, pride, and excitement as if it's happening right now. Engage all your senses. Hear the words of congratulations, see the smile on your congratulator's face, feel the warmth of their handshake, and sense the environment around you. The more vividly you can imagine the scene and the more emotions you can attach to it, the more effective it will be. Emotions are the language of the subconscious mind, and feeling the emotion of your desire being fulfilled is what impresses it upon your subconscious. Step 4. Repeat nightly. Before you go to sleep, replay this scene in your mind until it feels real. The state of drowsiness before sleep is when your subconscious mind is most receptive. This is known as the hypnagogic state, where the boundary between the conscious and subconscious minds is blurred. By repeatedly impressing this scene upon your subconscious every night, you align your inner world with your desired outcome. Consistency is crucial here. Just like planting a seed and watering it daily, you need to nurture your imagined scene with regular practice. The power of consistency. Consistency is the key to making the congratulations technique work. The more vividly and emotionally you can imagine the scene, the more powerful the manifestation. This technique taps into the power of the subconscious mind, which plays a pivotal role in shaping your reality. The subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences, it accepts whatever is repeatedly fed to it. By consistently visualizing your desired outcome, you start to reprogram your subconscious beliefs and expectations, paving the way for your desired outcome to manifest in your external reality. In essence, the congratulations technique is about living in the end, feeling as though your desire has already come true. It's a practice of aligning your inner state with your desired external circumstances. Over time, as you faithfully practice this technique, you'll begin to notice changes in your thoughts, behaviors, and external circumstances, all aligning to bring your desires to fruition. Tips for mastery. Mastering the congratulations technique requires a combination of specificity, sensory engagement, consistency, and faith. Let's delve into each of these crucial elements to help you harness the full power of this technique and manifest your desires effectively. Be specific. One of the foundational principles of the congratulations technique is to be as specific as possible when creating your imagined scene. The more detailed your scene, the more real it will feel to your subconscious mind. Vague and general scenes lack the emotional and sensory depth needed to make a strong impression. For example, if your desire is to achieve a significant career milestone, don't just imagine a generic celebration. Instead, visualize a specific moment, such as your boss congratulating you with a firm handshake, mentioning your new job title, and colleagues applauding your success. The specificity of these details makes the scene more believable and impactful. Use all senses. Engaging all your senses is another critical aspect of mastering the congratulations technique. Our senses, sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, play a significant role in how we perceive and remember experiences. When you vividly imagine your scene, make sure to incorporate sensory details. See the expressions of joy on the faces of those congratulating you. Hear their words of praise and the background sounds of the environment. Feel the texture of the handshake or the warmth of the hug. If relevant, include the smell of the room or the taste of celebratory food and drink. This multi-sensory engagement tricks your subconscious mind into believing the imagined scene is real, enhancing its effectiveness. Stay consistent. Consistency is crucial when practicing the congratulations technique. Make it a nightly ritual to replay your imagined scene in your mind before you go to sleep. This period, just before you drift off, is when your subconscious mind is most receptive. Regularly impressing the scene upon your subconscious helps reinforce the belief that your desire has already been fulfilled. Just like any other skill, the more you practice, the more proficient you become. Persistence in this practice is key to overcoming initial doubts and building the mental habit of living in the end. Maintain faith. Trusting in the process is essential, even if results don't appear immediately. Faith in the effectiveness of the congratulations technique and in your ability to manifest your desires is vital. Neville Goddard often emphasized the importance of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means living in a state of belief and expectation that your desire has already come true. It's natural to experience moments of doubt, but when they arise, gently redirect your focus to the feelings and imagery of your fulfilled desire. Maintaining faith helps you stay aligned with your goal, regardless of external circumstances or time frames. The essence of the technique. Neville Goddard frequently said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled." This statement encapsulates the essence of the congratulations technique, living in the end, feeling as though your desire has already come true. When you engage all your senses and immerse yourself fully in the imagined scene, you effectively trick your subconscious into accepting it as reality. This sensory and emotional engagement not only strengthens the impact of the scene, but also accelerates the manifestation process. The intensity and genuineness of your emotions are the keys to unlocking the full potential of this technique. It's natural to have doubts and fears. What if it doesn't work? What if I'm just fooling myself? Neville taught that doubt is a signal to return to the feeling of the wish fulfilled. When doubt arises, gently bring your focus back to your imaginal scene. This practice builds mental discipline and strengthens your belief. Doubt is a part of the human experience, especially when we step into the realm of the unknown. However, instead of succumbing to it, use it as a reminder to reinforce your desired state. Each time you redirect your focus to the imagined scene, you weaken the power of doubt and strengthen your conviction. Over time, this practice not only enhances your manifesting abilities, but also builds a resilient and positive mindset. Now, as promised, here's something incredibly interesting. Neville Goddard had a unique technique called revision. It involves changing past events in your imagination to create a better present and future. Imagine rewriting your past experiences to align with your desires. Powerful, isn't it? Many have used revision to heal relationships, overcome traumas, and create abundance. This advanced technique complements the congratulations technique perfectly. For instance, if you had a negative experience that still affects you, you can revise it in your mind by imagining a different, more positive outcome. By doing this, you alter the emotional impact of that memory, which in turn changes your present circumstances. Revision allows you to free yourself from the limitations of the past and step into a more empowered present and future. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mind of Neville Goddard and the congratulations technique. Remember, your imagination is a powerful tool. Use it wisely, and you can shape your reality. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below on your experiences with the technique. We'd love to hear from you. The journey of manifestation is deeply personal and transformative. By integrating the congratulations technique and revision into your daily practice, you open the doors to a life of unlimited possibilities. Stay persistent, keep believing, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. Until next time, keep imagining and creating the life you desire.